This episode, we're going to take you around the cruise track of the Summernats. Get on it. G'day Revheads, Sean from Bluewire. Summernats 38, how good? Just got back, just unpacked. We were happy to take Mal from Big Mal's World in our 1980 Toyota Sleeker. The Peter Williamson replica, you may have seen it cruising. We've driven the wheels off, we did some go to woe, we had a bit of fun, but we were happy to take Mal around the track, around the cruise track, do some videos. So what the footage we got is from Mal, and a bit of an intro from him. So get on his YouTube page, give him a like, subscribe, and why not give us a like and a subscribe too? Just bring the future on. 2026, let's do this.
Shit, yeah, getting ready for day 2 motivation. And yeah, I've just ordered me Uber, so let's flick it around, take a look. Shit, yeah.
Yeah.
How are you, mate?
Your ride is awaiting, man.
Yeah, it is. What do we call this? Uber Classics? Awesome. Well, thanks a lot, Sean. Getting ready for a couple of...
some Summernats laps, guys.
Some laps, how good. Spin this camera around, take a look. Chaos everywhere we look, isn't it? How good.
Yeah, let's get thick.
Yeah, we'll be brutal today. Yeah. Yeah, we were saying that, yeah. Got Julie in the back as well, so coming along for a ride. Thanks you for giving up your seat too. Jumping in the back for me. You should have squished me in the back. I don't know if I would have fit too well, yeah. How good. How good is it? Yeah, that's right. How good is it having the Sleeker over here at Summernats?
Oh yeah.
Got to be stoked with that.
Yep.
So good. Stands out too. I spot it all the time. So good.
The memories that it brings back.
Oh.
The dads that are telling their kids, I've been seeing this at happen.
Yeah, how cool. How many Summernats for you guys?
I've done probably 16 Summernats.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This is my third.
Is it? Yeah, nice. Oh, you still got me covered. This is my very first, so. And absolutely loving it.
Look at the madness.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Like you're a virgin.
I am, yeah, not anymore, but yeah. Yeah, I did not know what to expect except for chaos, and that's exactly what I've got so far.
I'd like to see the your was it HK?
HK,
I'd
yeah.
like to see it here next
Oh,
year.
that would be wild for sure.
Book it in.
Yeah, no, I definitely need to get it over here, I think.
Comes along, get
I'm
it
taking
in.
pictures of the Beamer. There it is. Yeah.
Oh, how cool is that?
Steve's car.
Oh, there's Steve's car. Hey, shit, yeah. How's this rig coming past? Old school gasser.
Sleep Nova.
So good. Yeah. I love that thing. That is so good. Oh, that's sick. Nice Cortina. I love the panel man with the side mount setup. Yep.
Swifty!
Hey! Old Hudson Hornet. So good. That's a beautiful car. So nice. Sorry.
No, you're right.
I think Nova's gone.
Yeah, we've seen that come back around again.
That's how you know which line's going quicker.
Yeah, 100%. All the cars lined up for the burnouts. Got the rare spares stato. Hopefully you can see out the window there. That's tough.
Yeah.
How tough is that?
Race just started.
Skid row lineup. How good is that?
That is a lot of power, and I'm seeing probably 1,000 horsepower here.
So good. Some stickers, boys. YouTube channel, check it out. Shit, yeah. Oh, good. So good. Oh, I can't reach. Hey, right. Make him work for it. Stickers for the YouTube channel. Check it out. Oh, sorry, mate. Thank you. Oh, get some more. There you go, guys. Check out this YouTube channel. Shit, yeah. Oh, sorry, mate. I can get some more here. Oh. Cheers. Shit, yeah. Oh, sorry, mate. Too late. Snooze, you lose. So good. He's loving it.
Hey, ball!
Oh yeah, so good. Thanks heap for that, guys.
No worries,
That's
you got it.
awesome. Yeah. Really appreciate it.
Subscribe, everyone. You know you want
Yeah,
to.
that's right. Yeah, what do we say? Shit, yeah.
yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe, Big MALS World. Awesome. Make sure you go check out Bluewire Garage as well. Bluewire Automotive.
Bluewire Garage, Bluewire Remote.
Anything else? Nope, just those two.
That's
Team
it.
Fennick,
Team
go to
Fennick.
Beamers.
Oh yeah, shit, yeah. Don't forget that. Awesome.
The Beamers. Team
Yep.
Fennick's the one.
Bloody oath. Thanks, guys.
So this is all the shine, guys. I just park up.
Yeah, I actually don't mind getting it from inside the car too. Still getting to see it and it's a little less dusty. You know what I like the most too? People just here using their cars. You know, like we were at Skid Row yesterday, and there was what, like the nicest Sandman ute ever, and I'm like, there's no way he's going to go rip it down there. And you know, sure enough, he did, because that's what it's for.
Yeah.
You know, like so good. Just out there enjoying it, using your car, not just parking it up, whatever.
Yeah, no trailer queens.
No, that's right. So good.
Probably can't go around the way.
Ah, you've done more than enough for me, mate. I appreciate it.
Back and
Yeah, rip it in, yeah. So good. Well, I cannot thank Julie and Sean enough again for taking me for a cruise in the Salika to get another look around this place. So how good was that? Thanks again, guys, and enjoy your day. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Enjoy your Summernats.
Shit, yeah, you too. Thank you.